Today I was telling about how to make Instagram story 60 seconds. For that we need to go to Instagram account and here we need to click on story. And here I was taking a Instagram story. I was taking a video for that. Here I have a video of 1 minute 2 seconds. I was clicking on that and here
In the heart of India, nestled
I was taking this Instagram video to story and I was putting this on story and it was came like a half of the Instagram story, but another half was not came. Let's see what happens. But it was came a half of the video, and we have another option to make a 60 seconds video. We click on camera, and here you need to click on Instagram reel, and here reel I was taking on camera, and here I was clicking on reel. So here we have the option of Instagram reel length. Click on Instagram reel length. We have the 60 seconds and 90 seconds. So this is the best option to make a reel of 60 seconds and put a story of Instagram story. This is the best option for we have to make 60-second Instagram reel. Thank you.